Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to correct the names quickly in an Excel sheet. Suppose in an Excel sheet we have a list of names of people written in a very improper way. As you can see, normally we should write names in such a way that first letter of every word is capital and other letters are small, and there should not be so much of space between first name, middle name, and surname. So here you can see some letters are capital, afterwards some gaps are very large. So how to correct all these names quickly? I'll show you two methods. One is within this Excel sheet only, another is using a VBA code. First of all, let us see within the Excel sheet how will you do it. So for that, we select a cell in the Excel sheet like this, and you have to make sure that there are as many vacant cells below this selected cell as there are names here to be modified. Now in this selected cell we write equal to, we write proper, PROP, okay, and then we write trim, and then we select these cells containing the names, all the cells we select. So everything we have selected here, and now we have opened here two brackets, so we must close these two brackets and we press enter. So what we have done, we have copied a corrected version of this list here, and now we select all these names from here, press Ctrl C, so we have copied it, and now select the first cell and press right button of the mouse, that is right click, and then from the paste option select these values, and then click. Then you see that these are copied, and then press the escape button so that this copy thing is gone. And now you select again this cell, first cell, press delete button, everything is gone. So you see that all the names are now correctly written, all the words are starting with capital letters, and there is a single spacing between first name, second name, and surname in every case. Initials are also written correctly. Okay. So this is one of the methods within the Excel sheet. Other method is we go back to the starting this thing. So this was our original sheet, and then what we do, I have already prepared a icon here containing this subprogram from the VBA. This VBA code I have used to make this icon. I'll show you how to do it, but first of all let us see how does it work. So we select these names and just press this icon here. So in one stroke you see everything is corrected here. The VBA code used in this icon is this one. Okay, so let us copy this one for the time being and press Alt F11. Okay, so this VBA code is already there actually. So if you want to make another VBA code, so just click here, press right click here in this region, and then press this click insert module. So third module has come up, and then whatever you have copied earlier, paste it. And you can give it some other name. Maybe I reverse the name. I call it trim prop maybe. Okay, and then we go back to the Excel sheet again. Press escape button so that this copy thing is gone. And here I'll put up one icon like this. So you press this insert, then shapes, any shape you select, say round one I select. So I select this one. Okay. And then here I write assign macro. And then I have trim prop. I have now written trim prop, and then this okay. Okay. If you want some name also here, so edit text maybe, and here we can write um, okay, RIGST, right. I just write here. Then, so this is done. So let us select this, restore this to this position maybe. Suppose this is that improperly written names. So how to correct it? We just select it, and now we press our new icon, and you see in one go it has corrected it. Okay. So this is the code, as you can read it here. This is the code you have to write in the, this is the VBA code. Okay. So hope this video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching.